my last tutorial, I asked you if you were interested in learning how to edit reels in Canva, and I saw that many of you were interested. So today I'm gonna show you how easy it is to edit a reel in Canva that has a voiceover, transitions, and music. Go to canva.com and the first step will be to click on this icon that says video. Then click mobile video. This is going to open a new document in the editor, so if you want you can rename it from here, and then the next step will be to upload your own media. You're gonna go to uploads, and from here I really suggest you go to folders, and then you can either create a new folder and then upload your clips to that folder, or if you already have a folder with the clips in your computer, you can simply drag the folder and drop it in here. I already have my clips uploaded to Canva. You can see the folder is in here, and I really suggest you wait until every clip is uploaded to Canva before you start editing. For this edit in particular, I want to add a voiceover, so I recorded my voice using QuickTime and then I uploaded the file in here. Okay, the next step will be to add a media or a blank page, let's say. So I'm clicking on this plus icon and then clicking blank. In here you will see that we will have 5 seconds by default, but my voiceover is 1 minute and 9 seconds. So I'm going to stretch this blank page until I see 1 minute and 9 seconds. Can be longer than that, doesn't really matter. Okay, and now I'm ready to add my voiceover. So I'm dragging and dropping it. In this voiceover I made a couple of mistakes. So for example, here at the beginning I repeated the same sentence 3 times because I was forgetting one word here and there, so I started over again 3 times. So what I'm gonna do is to split this audio somewhere here,
but waking up is
or I think it's somewhere here.
People think I'm naturally... Hi, my name is Diana.
Perfect. So hi, my name is Diana is the beginning of the sentence, and I'm going to bring my guide here where I want to split this audio track and then hit S. This is going to split the audio track in 2, and I'll be able to delete the one that I'm not going to use. So I'm going to bring this to the beginning of the video and then play.
Hi, my name is Diana.
Now I want to get closer to this audio track, so I'm really zooming in because there are some little details that you would like to chop in your audio if you are using a voiceover. So there are some sections in this audio where you see a flat line. These are empty spaces where we are not actually speaking. We are maybe breathing or thinking about the next sentence. Now what I want to do is to preview or hear this section again. So I'm pressing the space bar to play and to stop where I want this guide to go. So play.
Hi, my name is Diana.
Okay, so you saw that I stopped by pressing the space bar, and I want to cut or split this audio track right before I start the next sentence. So somewhere here, let me try again.
People think...
Yes, I think this is perfect. Hitting S, and then from here I can see where the flat line begins. So somewhere here, and then pressing S again. I'm deleting this section and then bringing these two together. Okay, let me hear again.
Hi, my name is Diana. People think I'm naturally a morning person because I love sunrises.
Perfect. Okay, here there is another flat line, and I'm not sure if you're going to hear this, but in here I'm breathing. I'm inhaling before I start the next sentence. So this is actually what we want to cut. And I'm going to continue this process until I have a clean voiceover. Okay, my voiceover is ready and it's time to start adding our video clips. So let's go to uploads, folders, and open the folder where you uploaded all of your video files. Now from here, I'm gonna start dragging my videos to the second track. And then from here, I'll be able to preview the clip by dragging this guide over the track, and I can see that I can use a section from this clip. So again, I'm leaving this guide on top of my clip, pressing S, deleting what I don't need. Now I'm going to bring this clip here to the beginning of the video, and then I'm going to hear again what I say in the voiceover to see where I need to cut this video.
Hi, my name is Diana. People think think I'm naturally a morning person because
Perfect. I believe this one is working well. I can adjust later if I want. And once I have the clip ready, I'm going to bring it to the first track. Now, it is very important that if you just want to hear your voiceover, you mute your video clips, and you can do it from here. You select your video clip, go to the toolbar, volume, and then decrease it to 0. Now, because I was talking about sunrises, I think it's time to add a sunrise video clip in here. I have a couple that I can use, but I know that I have a better one in another folder, so I'm going to search for it, and I'm doing the same process, adding this video to the second video track. I'm going to hear again what I say in the voiceover
because I love sunrises.
Perfect. So I say sunrises, and I'm going to end this clip here where I say sunrises. And then I would like to see another clip right when I start the next sentence. So I'm bringing this clip here and adding another one. So I'm following exactly the same steps, bringing the clip on top, selecting the right section of that clip, and bringing that clip down to the first track. I'm going to continue this process, and I'll see you in a second. I have all the clips ready, and what I want to do is to go over each of these clips and make sure that they are muted. And before I show you how to add transitions and music to your reels, I want to ask you something very important. What is it that you want to learn in the next tutorial? I was thinking that many of you may be content creators, or you would like to be, and you want to learn how to best use Canva to create that content. I was thinking that maybe the next tutorial, and only if you guys are interested, I could teach you how to edit photos in Canva. But I will only make that tutorial if many of you let me know that you are interested in watching it. So please let me know in the comments. And if you do, remember to subscribe so you don't miss that next tutorial. On the other hand, if there is something else that you want to learn about Canva, let me know in the comments, because I'm always reading your comments, trying to find new ideas for the next tutorials. Okay, let's continue with the editing. And I believe this edit is ready. I could simply go to share and download the video as it is, but I know that you guys asked me to show you how to add transitions and music to your video edits. So let me show you quickly how to do this. This is pretty simple. You're gonna go in between two clips and hover your mouse there. You will see that this icon appears. It says add transition. Click here, and then you will have this transitions menu. You can click on any of the transitions to add it, and then you can simply preview it from here.
Because I love sunrise.
You can test the other transitions.
I love sunrise.
And what I like about these transitions is that you can change the direction, duration, and for example, this one that says color wipe, you can even customize the colors on this transition. And if you want, there is this button that says apply between all scenes. And I wouldn't recommend you click on this button for this kind of edits. Usually in this kind of edits, you will have little clips over the whole edit. And if you have a transition coming every second or every 0.5 seconds, it will be a little bit too much. In this case, I'm not going to use transitions. I'm going to leave this edit as it is. But of course, if you want, you can add transitions to your video. Now, if you want to add music to your edit directly from Canva, you can go to Edits, go to Audio, and then from here you will find the audio library in Canva. You have plenty of options, and from here you will see some categories like popular music, happy, pop, epic, piano, instrumental, vocal, ambient, sad, love, and many more. But if you want something in particular, you can search it from here, and then you will have a search result filtered by the keyword you have entered in here. Of course, you will have plenty of different options if you are using a paid plan in Canva. You see that basically all of the options have a crown in here, but you can search by free or pro options. You can see now that all of these options now are completely free to use. Now, if you want to add any of these tracks to your edit, simply place this guide at the beginning of the editing and click on the track that you want to add. You can see now that the song has been added. Now, if you want to edit a reel like this one in which you are using a voiceover and music, I do recommend that you select the music track and then go to volume. You're going to decrease the sound and then check if you can hear the song but also the voiceover.
Hi, my name is Diana. People think I'm natural.
This is good, but I believe we can lower a little bit more the volume of the song, and then you can also increase the volume of the voiceover. Okay, let's play again.
Hi, my name is Diana. People think I'm naturally.
I believe my edit looks perfect now and I'm ready to download it. So let's go to share, download. I have a Canva Pro account, so I'm going to increase the quality, why not? And then hit download. If you have a Canva free account and would like to try all of the pro features and all the premium media available in the platform, you can use our 30-day free trial in the description. And this is the final result. Simple edit, great result. Let me know, what do you think? Hi, my name is Diana. People think I'm naturally a morning person because I love sunrises. But waking up is still hard for me. In my opinion, these three things cut the struggle by 80%. I leave my workout clothes ready the night before. I don't negotiate with my alarm. If I snooze, I lose. And I go to bed earlier than I feel like. Not glamorous, but it works. If you're still watching this video, I believe you are going to love this tutorial in which I teach you how to create Instagram carousels fast in Canva that still look very professional. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next tutorials. I think that's it for this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!